Altcoins remain under pressure following volatile weekend. Bitcoin has also given up some of its early Monday bounce, returning down to the $64,000 level. ETH, the second largest cryptocurrency by market value, hovered just above the $3,100 mark in early afternoon U.S. hours on Monday, struggling to retain gains made since the crypto market's panicky sell-off on Saturday. While ahead 4% over the past 24 hours, ETH is lower by about 4% since rising to nearly $3,300 earlier Monday on word is yet still unconfirmed that multiple Hong Kong-based spot Bitcoin and Ether ETFs had been approved. Downside pressure in Bitcoin BTC has resumed as well, with that crypto now modestly lower over the past 24 hours to $64,200 after earlier Monday nearly reaching $67,000. The broader CoinDesk 20 index is ahead 0.68% over the past 24 hours. Alongside Solana's SOL gave up a large proportion of its overnight gains, dropping to around $140 from as high as $155 early Monday morning. That's also down from $175 reached on Friday. Bitcoin, Ether, and the rest of crypto plunged on Saturday, with Bitcoin dropping to the $61,000 area and Ether below $3,000 as Iran launched a bombing campaign on Israel, but the sector had regained some footing later in the weekend. Singapore-based digital assets trading house QCP Capital said in a note to investors that historically, buying the dip on the outbreak of major geopolitical conflicts has been a profitable trade. Ed Go, head of trading at liquidity provider BTC, said the firm has seen consistent buying in BTC, especially on the dip over the weekend. 57% of our flow has been to the buy side, said Go. He also added that altcoin activity remains high and they have seen a bias towards buying for alts. Bitcoin's halving event is fast approaching on April 19, which some traders are predicting could trigger a short-term sell the news reaction before and after the event. Despite the setbacks, some altcoins continued, with significant gains on Monday, with Ondo Finance Ondo up 15% over the past 24 hours, while Render's RNDR was ahead 12% and the Graph GRT rose 9%.